Welcome to my channel TKP Hub.
So hello everyone. Today our topic is the trigonometry function and the sign of the trigonometry functions. Before going to sign of trigonometry function, in the previous classes I discussed about the values of trigonometry angle or different angles at from 0 to 180 degree. I think you remembered it. Okay, then today I am going to discuss the sign of the trigonometry function. So everybody know that in the Cartesian system, this is x axis and this is y axis. Okay, then in the trigonometry, this the whole plane, there is the whole plane, and the whole plane is divided into 4 equal parts: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the 4 equal part, one part get divided into 4 equal parts. So the each part is 1 by 4. Each part is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Okay. So the 1 by 4 we know as quarter. 1 by 2 is half and 1 by 4 is quarter. So here, but here is known as, each part is known as quadrant. Okay, what is that? Is quadrant. So this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. Okay, so and the angle is, this is known as, everyone know that this is 90 degree angle. Then here is also 90 degree, here is also 90 degree, and here is also 90 degree. So this angle is 90. If we goes to second quadrant, then 90 is added and it becomes 180. Then 90 is added, it becomes 270, and the whole total is circle, that is 360 degree. Okay, forget it and just remember it, there is 4 quadrant. Okay, then what are the sign of trigonometry function in different quadrants? Okay, there is a nice formula, so we can remember it very easily. You don't have memorize all the trigonometry functions of sine in different quadrants. You just remember the formula, just I have to tell, then it is very easy to just remembering it. Okay, so the formula is ASTC. So ASTC means, ASTC, how we can remember it. The remembering formula is, ASTC is after school, then C means college. Okay, after school then college means after, for A, school for S, then T, then C. So ASTC. So ASTC, we remember ASTC means after school then college. So A is for first quadrant, then S is for second quadrant, then T for third quadrant, then C for fourth quadrant. What does it means? So A means all, S means sine opposite, cosec, T means tan opposite cot, C means cos opposite check. So in the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. In second quadrant, sine is positive. In third quadrant, tan is positive. In fourth quadrant, cos and sec are positive. Okay, so we have to check how we can represent the first quadrant. This is 90-degree angle. When we subtract any angle from 90-degree, that represents the first quadrant. Okay, let first is sine 90 minus theta. So 90 minus theta. 90 is this 90-degree. Then when we subtract any angle, that is theta, let the angle is 10. 90 minus 10 means 80. 80 means in the first quadrant. So we have to just solve the 90 minus theta falls on which quadrant? That is on x quadrant. So that is on x quadrant, first quadrant. So first quadrant means all are positive. So it is sine is positive. But we have to remember that when the angle is in the form of 90 and 270, then its function is changed to the nearer function, means sine change to cos, and cos change to sine, tan change to cot, and cot change to tan, then sec change to cosec, cosec change to sec. So sine change to cos, then remaining angle is theta, and sine is positive. Okay, similarly cos 90 minus theta means 90 for 90, cos change to sine, then theta is positive. Then tan 90 minus theta, for 90 tan change to cot theta, then 90 minus theta means for first quadrant, the first quadrant is all positive. Okay, just remember for 90 and 270 function will change. Okay, for 180 and 360 the function will not change. 180 and 360 function remains same. Okay, this is for first quadrant. 90 minus theta. If we add theta to the 90 degree, 90 plus theta, it goes to second quadrant. Okay, so I take one example, that is cos 90 plus theta. Okay, cos 90 plus theta. So for 90 we change the function cos as a sine, then theta. Okay, then now we check what is the sign, plus or minus. Okay, 90 plus theta, 90 means first quadrant, then when we added plus theta, it goes to second quadrant. So second quadrant is positive for only sine and cosec. So but our function is cos, so it is negative. Understood? But for sine 90 plus theta, 90 means for the function is changed, cos theta, then 90 plus theta is second quadrant. So in second quadrant that is positive for sine and cosine, so sine is here, so it is positive. Okay, understand? Then for third quadrant or second quadrant we can represent by, this is 180. When we subtract 180, subtract any angle from 180, 180 minus theta means second quadrant, 90 plus theta, and it is also 180 plus theta. Okay, I just take one example. tan 180 minus theta. So for 180 the function will remain same, tan theta 180 minus theta. This is 180 minus theta means second quadrant, sine cosec positive, tan is not positive, minus tan theta. I just write in which quadrant can express as by which angle. This can express as 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta, and 360 plus theta. No, and second quadrant is 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta, 180 minus theta. Then third 180 plus theta, then it is 270 minus theta, or 270 minus theta. Then fourth 270 plus theta, or 360 minus theta. Okay, as like that we can check the sign. So the table for the sign is, so the table for sign for trigonometric functions are, for this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. We just remember ASTC for first quadrant, that is all trigonometric functions are positive. So for first quadrant all are positive. Then second quadrant AS means sine and cosec. Sine is positive and cosec is also positive, and all other are negative. Okay. Then third T means tan, cot are positive, and all other are negative. Then fourth quadrant C, cos, sec, cos and sec are positive, and all other are negative. Okay, understood? ASTC is the rule. This is very important question. If cos x equal to minus 3 by 5, x lies in third quadrant. So the angle is lies on third quadrant. In third quadrant there is AST. T means tan and cot. Only tan and cot are positive, all other negative. Here is cos, negative. Find the value of other 5 trigonometric ratios. So we can find, so cos x, here given cos x equal to minus 3 by 5, and we know that the reciprocal of cos is sec x, that is minus 5 by 3. Okay, we got one trigonometric ratio. Then if we know the value of cos x, we can find the sin x. How? Remind the trigonometry identities. There is 3 identities that are sin square x plus cos square x equals to 1, sec square x minus tan square x equal to 1, cosec square x minus cot square x equal to 1. These are 3 identity which we have to use to find the different trigonometric ratios. So sec x, then sin x, sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. So we have to find sin x. So sin square x equal to cos square goes to right hand side and becomes negative. Okay, then 1 minus, I know the value of cos x, that is minus 3 by 5, then whole square, it equals to 1 minus 9 by 25. When we take LCM as 25, 25 1 is 25 minus 9, that is 16 by 25. Then sin x equal to square goes to right hand side and becomes square root, and we got for 16 root over is 4 and 25 root over is 5. When we take root over, the sign is both plus and minus, but our x is in third quadrant, so this is not tangent count, so sin is negative, so sin x is negative minus 4/5. So if we got sin x, we can also get the reciprocal, that is cosec x, which is minus 5/4. Okay, then tan x equal to sin x by cos x. So sin x value is minus 4/5 divided by cos x is minus 3/5. So 5 cancel, that is minus minus is also cancelled, that is 4/3. Look, this is positive, and cot x is reciprocal of tan x, that is 3/4. Okay, this type of question you can face in exercise. So next question is find value of sin 31π/3. Okay, so remember that sin and cos, every values are repeated after 2π, means 360 degree. After 360 degree the values are repeated or multiple of 2π. Okay, so first we convert this multiple of 2π. So sin 31/3 equals to, when we divided 3/31, 3 10 is 30, then remaining is 1, so we can write as 10π plus 1π/3. Okay, sin 10π plus π/3, that is 31π/3. So we just read about sin 90 plus theta or 180 plus theta, whatever maybe. So sin something plus theta means sin π/3, because it is the multiple of 2π or 10π. This is a multiple of 2π. It will get only sin π/3 is the answer. Okay, sin π/3 means π/3 equals to 60 degree. So sin 60 equal to √3/2. So find values of cosec minus 1410. Okay, this is another type of question. So first we know that about two functions sines. Sin of minus x equal to minus sin x, whereas cos of minus x equal to only plus cos x. Okay, so here is cosec, sin reciprocal, so sin cosec of minus theta equal to minus cosec theta. So minus cosec theta means 1410 degree. So we can convert degree into radian. 1410 into π/180. 0 0 cancel. 4 1 5 is 6. So 6 3. Sorry, 3 6 is 18. Then 3 4 is 12. 2 21. 3 7 is 21. Okay, so minus cosec 47π/6. So general previous formula we can divide it, or always try to write as the multiple of 2π, either plus or minus. 6 7 is 42. Remaining is 5. Okay, but our is 47. So if we write this as 7π, this is not multiple of 2π. So if you write 8π, then it becomes multiple of 2π. So 6 into 8, 48. When we minus 1, then it will get, we will get 47. 6 into 8 minus 1. Our 8 is multiple of 2π. So we can write as cosec 48π minus π/6. Okay, it is the multiple of 48π, no, 8π. This is the multiple of 2 pi. 6 8 is 48 minus 1, 47 by 6. Okay, so our result is minus cosec pi by 6. Okay, then cosec pi minus 6, 8 pi minus 6, and cosec is repeated after the value of 2 pi. If we ignoring the value of 2 pi or 8 pi, then it becomes minus pi by 6. The cosec of minus theta equal to minus cosec theta, here is also minus, so it becomes plus cosec pi by 6. Pi by 6 means 30 degree, so cosec 30 equals to sin 30 equals to 1 by 2, cosec 30 equal to 2. This is our result. So let's do the exercise. In next video I will upload the exercise related all solutions with proper explanation. So let understand this topic, and if there is any doubt, then comment and ask the question. Okay,
Thanks for watching. Like and share and subscribe the channel. For a new notification, press the bell icon. Okay, thank you.